Hi friends, today we will see the different examples related to matrix multiplication method. First we see the normal unit matrix. Normal unit matrix. This is the normal unit matrix. See here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a matrix. When you perform the inversion, is a symmetry operation. At that time what happened? This is the diagonal elements, these are 1, but when you perform the inversion symmetry operation on that matrix, at that time all 1 goes to negative. Okay, so see here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, that means all the 1 is positive in this, but when you perform the inversion all diagonal elements get negative. Then again 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, when you perform the C2Z operation, C2Z, at that time here z is there. Here you have to consider x, y and z. The remaining x and y is negative. See here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, here x, y and z. Okay, here z is there. You have to neglect the z and give negative to x and y. Okay, then next 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, when you perform the sigma v x y, at that time you have to consider z. See here 0 1 0 0 0 1. You have to give the negative sign to z. Okay, here x y is there, so you have to consider here z and give the negative sign. Okay, now we see the different examples related to the unit matrices. You have to perform the symmetry operation on matrix. With the help of symmetry operation, we solve the example using matrix multiplication method. Matrix multiplication method. Find the following product. Find following product. First C2Z into sigma xy. You have to find out this one. First you have to consider E is equal to matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is the first step. Then you have to perform the C2Z operation on that matrix. See here C2Z, which is equal to C2Z means what? You have to give the negative sign to x and y. First you write the matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here x, y and z. You have to consider here x and y. Give the negative sign to the x and y. Then next is the sigma xy. Sigma xy. Then again write the matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, here x and y is there. You have to give the negative sign to the z. Okay, see here sigma xy, x and y, it is as it is, only the z get negative. And in the example, what is the here C2z into sigma xy. Again you have to write the C2z. What is here? Minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. What is here again? Sigma xy. You have to write here the sigma xy here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Okay, then multiplication is taking place. Minus 1 into 1, here minus 1 0 0 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 into minus 1 minus 1. That means all the diagonal elements are getting negative. So what is the product here? This is the product related to the inversion. Okay, that means inversion, which is equal to I C2Z into sigma xy, which is equal to I. This is the product. Okay, now we see the next example. Second example, I into sigma xz, which is equal to, you have to find out that product. Okay, first you have to write the matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, what is the first is here? I. Okay, when you perform the I, that means inversion on this matrix, at that time all the diagonal elements are getting negative. So here 0 0 minus 1. Okay, then when you perform the sigma xz, at that time sigma xz means what? You have to give the negative sign to the y. First you have to write the matrix 0 0 1. Okay, x and z is there, you have to consider the y, you have to take the negative sign is here. Then what is the product here? I into sigma xz. Okay, what is I here? Minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Sigma xz, what is here? 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. Then multiplication is taking place. Then we get here the minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 into minus 1 1 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Then what is here? X and z is negative, that means here C2y is there. Okay, what is here? C2y. I into sigma xz. How that C2y is obtained? See here, x is negative and z is negative. What is remaining here? Only y. So you have to take the C2y is the product. Okay, then we see the next example. I into I, you have to find out that product. Okay, that means when you perform the inversion, then what you get here? First you have to write the matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, then I into I, what is here? Minus 1 into 0. First you have to write the inversion, minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. What is again inversion? Minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Then you get here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That means when you take the multiplication, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That means here identity. So here the product of inversion into inversion is E, that means identity. Then next example, fourth example is sigma v xz into sigma v yz, which is equal to, you have to find out that one. Okay, first you have to write the identity matrix here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, when you perform sigma v xz on that matrix, at that time y is negative and remaining is as it is. Okay, so here minus 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, when you take the sigma v yz, at that time x is negative and remaining as it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here x is negative. Okay, then when you take the product xz into sigma v yz, at that time what is here? 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 multiplied by minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. When multiplication is taking place, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 remaining as it is 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 into 0. Okay, 0 0 1 into 1 1. Okay, so here what is here? X and y is negative, only z is positive. So you have to take here C2 z is the product. Then answer is sigma v xz into sigma v yz, which is equal to C2 Z. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, this is all about the symmetry operations we perform on the matrix, and we find out the product of that matrices. Thank you.